Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to quickly check the word count in Microsoft Word using the free Microsoft 365 online version. Open your browser and go to Microsoft's free Office Online page. Sign in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have it. This lets you use Word in your browser and save your documents in OneDrive. Once signed in, open Word from the list of apps. You can start a new document or open one you've already saved. At the top, click on the Review tab. Here you'll see tools for proofreading and analyzing your document. Select word count. A box will appear showing your total word count, plus details like page numbers, paragraphs, and character counts with or without spaces. And that's it. You've now learned how to check word count in Microsoft Word online. This simple feature helps you stay within limits for school, work, or personal projects. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides.